Hello, welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Magandang araw sa lahat, maayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm showing you on how to make a sweet pie or tart dough. Here are the ingredients. You need a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sweet potato starch, 1 egg, 2 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons sugar, 100 grams unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now let's start to prepare. First is combine the egg yolks, the sugar, and then mix very well until it completely dissolve the sugar. Then add a butter, mix and mix very well until it's well incorporated, and then add a flour, the sweet potato starch, vanilla, the salt, and mix again. Then mix very well. I-mix jud pag-ayo. And let's gather the dough into the center to form a ball. Then flour your work surface and place the dough onto the surface area. Then knead for 3 minutes until smooth. I-knead pagayo, then stretch, then knead na pod until it becomes smooth and form a ball. Now it's already formed a ball. Bula na siya gamay. Dayon, let's wrap this into a cling wrap. Or gamiton ninyo ziplock or cellophane kung sa inyo available. After wrapping the dough with a cling wrap or ziplock, place into the fridge for an hour to set. After an hour, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grab a tart pan. It can be round, square, or rectangle. What I'm using here is 12-inch diameter tart pan. Then rub the base with some butter and all over the side. Sprinkle some flour and rub around the side. Make sure it's all covered with flour to avoid sticking the crust. Then set aside. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface, then take out the dough from the fridge and lay on the surface. Roll the dough from 2 to 4 minutes or until spreads, enough to cover the tart pan. Starting from the farthest, roll the dough to your rolling pin towards you. Lay on top of the tart pan and roll out. Allow to settle. Gently press the dough around sides and fix as necessary. By using a fork, you can prick all over the base for better baking. So this is ready for filling. So stay tuned for my next video. It's a calamansi tart. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Yami's Kitchen, and follow our Facebook, like, comments, and share.